Hey guys, Shane Simmons here with you, and I am in a spot known nationally, internationally, near and far as the birthplace of Shane Simmons. Yes, I'm in Richlands, Virginia, in Tazewell County, Virginia. And yeah, we may be a little skinny on people with familiar names, but hey, still a lot of good people from here. So I want to check out a little drive called Jones Chapel Road. And I know a lot of people, if you're from Richlands, you know this, but maybe some things of interest for other folks too. So check it out. Friends, me and my bug gut infested windshield are going to take a little drive up Jones Chapel Road in Richlands, Virginia. And if you're from this area, you know exactly where I'm talking about. It's a nice little shortcut sometimes to get to the high school. So that's what's kind of cool about it. You snake your way up through here, basically a holler, and end up popping out and seeing a high school stadium, football stadium. Pretty cool if you ask me. We used to come, and if we were running late for school, make a beeline down along this road. Back then, a good portion of it was gravel. Maybe they paved it since then. I don't know. We'll see if we run into any gravel, but so far, so good. My buddy, you'd make some dust kick up trying to fly through here. And you can see 460 just right over the hill. But this cuts a little bit of time off of going over the, well, theoretically it does. I've had times where I question whether it was actually a shortcut or not, but it's another debate for another day. Well, no, isn't that cool? Looks like some victims of a demolition derby up here. I didn't know that. That's a little bonus I didn't know about for you. So when we pop up over the hill here, no rigged maps, vote no. And I agree with that sentiment completely, by the way. So when you pop down here, you kind of get a view. It starts to open up where you can see the high school a little bit. And the stadium, of course. Ernie Hicks Stadium. And at one time, it may still be called EMATS Field. They sponsor the turf, the artificial turf. Now, during the football season, back when it used to be really crowded, and I guess still now, because some people, cheap people like my dad, didn't want to pay to go into the stadium, so you just park along this drive and then watch the game from the hill. Great view, just as good as being in the stadium, really. And I remember many a time when I was a little kid, my dad would pull over there and meet all kinds of his buddies who were equally cheap, I guess. Because back then it was like $2 or something to get in. But if you could save $2, by golly, why not do it, I guess, was the thinking. But there's, again, Richlands Stadium, football stadium. Some sort of event going on right now. Back in the morning, you could get stuck here for infinite amount of time because people would pull in to go to the middle school, drop their kids off, and it'd just be a perpetual line here. And every now and then you might run into somebody friendly that let you across, but not always. It's like, I don't see a name for that church anymore. I'm fearful that it might have met its demise. And over here is a funeral, or cemetery. Jones Chapel Road. And I do believe this church, which has now been converted into the Richlands Wrestling Club, I'm pretty sure it was the Jones Chapel Church that gave the name to Jones Chapel. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. There's Jones Chapel Cemetery. And you can see tons and tons and tons of old markers. And if there's enough will and voting from folks who watch this video, I'll walk through that cemetery at some point and give you a view of it because it's kind of neat too. But it actually crosses over the road. I don't know if you can see that, but the road bisects the cemetery, so kind of interesting thing to see, I would think. But let me know and we'll do it just for funsies next time I'm down here in Richlands. And again, it's good old Jones Chapel Road. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this look at Jones Chapel Road. And you may be saying to yourself, wait a minute, earlier you said this was the birthplace of Shane Simmons, and that is absolutely true. But you also know, you've heard numerous times that I am the pride of Dorian, Virginia. Well, of course, I'm the person referred to me as that numerous times, but anyway, yes, Dorian is a little community outside of Richlands. So just to clarify that, we all funnel up into Richlands High School, whether we like it or not. And that's Dorian, not Dorian Bottom, not to be confused with that mecca of activity. Please excuse me, too, because I'm on a high. I just went to Italian Village up here, and I guess I'm getting a ham and cheese high or something, or maybe the starch in my bread. I don't know. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on down the road.